Third part. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay. Let the Rohan's mother age be X years. Let the Rohan's age be Y years I have taken. Product of their ages 3 years from now is given to you. That is what? 360. So okay, here I am going to write product of their ages 3 years from now. That means after 3 years. The Rohan's mother ages X years I have taken. So after 3 years, what will be the ages of Rohan's mother? After 3 years, 3 years from now, Rohan's mother age is what will be? X plus 3, because previously it was X. After 3 years, what it will be? X plus 3. Like Rohan's age, what I have taken as Y. After 3 years, what it will be? Y plus 3. Okay. Product of their ages is given to you 360. Product means what I have to do? Multiply. So X plus 3 into Y plus 3, which is equal to what? 360. Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him given to you. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So X is equal to 26 plus Y, because she is older than her child. That's why 26 plus Y I have written. So in the place of X I am going to put this value. In the place of X, what we can write? 26 plus Y plus 3. Yes. And here this is what? Y plus 3. Which is equal to what? 360. Yes. This is 29 plus Y. This is what? Y plus 3. Which is equal to 360. 29 into Y, that is 29Y. 29 into 3, that is 27, 2 is remaining 87. Yes. Y into Y, that is Y square. Y into 3, that is 3Y, which is equal to 360. Yes. Y square. 29Y plus 3Y, it will give you what? 32Y. Yes. Plus 360 on this side, minus 360. Minus 360 plus 87, it will give you what? 273. Minus 273 equal to 0. Now I got the quadratic equation. I am going to use the middle term splitting method to get the Y value. See, use the middle term splitting. You know that, use prime factorization method. 273. It can be divisible by 3. 91. It can be divisible by what? 7. That is what? 13. Yes, 13 is a prime number, so stop it. And here I need in addition 32, in multiplication minus 273. Yes. Look here, minus 273 in multiplication I need. In addition what I need? Plus 32. So, okay. So I am writing 3 into 13, it will give you what? 39. And this is what? 7. See, I need 32. So I am keeping here minus 7. Now you add these two values. 39 minus 7, it will give you in addition 32. Yes. Do the multiplication of these two numbers, you will get minus 273. So the two numbers are 39 minus 17. I am going to split this one. Y square. In a place of 32y, I can write it 39y minus 7y. It will give you what? 32y. That's why I have written minus 273 equal to 0. In these two terms, what is common? Y. So take it out, y plus 39. Here you take it out minus 7, so that you will get y plus 39. equal to 0. What is the common factor? Y plus 39. So take it together. What is remain over there? Y minus 7 equal to 0. So y plus 39 equal to 0, so that you will get y equal to minus 39. Okay. And y minus 7 equal to 0, so that you will get y equal to 7 plus 7. See, why I have taken as what? Rohan's age. So age cannot be negative. That's why this factor I have to cancel out. You have to write the statement also. Ages cannot be negative. That's why we have to eliminate this factor y plus 39. And what you got y value? That is 7. So write it here. They asked you only Rohan's present age. So what is the percentage of Rohan? That is y. Y value I got, that is what? 7. So write it here in answer. Age of Rohan is 7 years. Okay, that's all. Thank you.